In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Slack channel. Creating a dedicated channel in Slack is one of the easiest ways to keep team communication organized. Instead of mixing project updates, department conversations, and quick questions all in one place, you can separate everything into its own focused space. That makes messages easier to find, keeps files and alerts relevant to the right people, and helps everyone stay on track. To begin, open the Slack desktop app or sign into your workspace from a desktop web browser. Once you're inside Slack, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the section labeled Channels. Move your mouse over that area and you'll see a plus icon appear on the right side. Click that plus icon, then choose Create a Channel from the menu that opens. A channel creation window will appear on screen. In the name field, type the name you want to use for your new channel. Keep in mind that Slack channel names need to be lowercase, cannot include spaces, and should stay under 80 characters. A clear name helps your team immediately understand what the channel is for. In the description field, you can also add a short summary. This part is optional, but it's very useful because it gives teammates quick context when they browse the channel list. Next, decide whether the channel should be public or private. In the same setup window, look for the Make Private toggle. If you leave it off, the channel will be public, which means people in your workspace can find it, view it, and join it. If you turn it on, the channel becomes private, meaning it won't appear in search or directory views, and people can only access it if they're invited. Once you've chosen the visibility that fits your needs, click the blue Create button. After that, Slack will open an Add People window. At this point, you can either add everyone in the workspace if the channel is meant for broad communication, or search for specific teammates and add only the people who need access. If you're not ready to invite anyone yet, you can simply choose Skip for now and continue setting things up privately. Once the channel is created, Slack will take you directly into it. You'll see a confirmation message showing that the channel has just been created. To make sure everything is working, click into the message box, type a short welcome message, and press enter to post it. And that's it. You've successfully created a new Slack channel and set it up for your team's communication. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.